Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the new NYX Longwear False Lash System. It is a system for lashes without using the glue. So it comes with the pen and a pair of lashes. We are going to need two things, which is one, a tweezer, and two, a mirror, which I did not show, but you will be needing a mirror. And this is just a quick and easy way to do your liner and lashes in one. So here is my beautiful face, of course. We're going to start off with literally a natural face, nothing on the eyes. So I'm going to open up the package for you guys and just show you guys what comes in it. So like I said, the pen and one pair of lashes. These are very natural lashes, guys. So I'm just going to start off by taking them off and prepping them so that I don't have to struggle and do this while the liner's on. So this is what the lash looks like. Very natural. I love a nice natural wispy lash. So these are the lashes I'm going to use today. And this is the pen, just a regular liner pen. Very easy to use. So as you can see, I am shaking it. Now this is important because we need all of that product to get to the tip of our pen. So a tip, use your index finger to place on your cheek, and you are going to just line your wing first. That is important. And from there, we start from the middle of the line and we're going to slowly drag it to the center of our eyelids. Now that is where we get the shape. I do like to go back over and just clean it up, give it a more sharper shape. I usually get this the first time, but if I have to, I will do that. And then we go in by filling that out. So this is the first step, guys, creating that wing. Now all we're doing is putting the pieces together. So I am just creating little strokes just to connect each part. So I start literally a little bit halfway in the middle, and then I do the inner corners and connect everything. So that is my method of doing liner. Very simple and easy. To be honest, guys, liner has been one of my struggles when it comes to makeup, but I believe I've mastered it. So that's how it's looking. And we're just going to go right in with the lash. I put the lash right underneath. I put the tweezer, guys, underneath the lash band, and we're going to start off by placing it in the middle. And when I tell you guys this sticks to the liner perfectly, you will not have any issues. So I put the middle first, the outer end, and then the inner corner. So I'm going to show you guys on the other eye if this was a little too fast for you, but that is exactly how I put it on my lashes. And as you guys can see, very natural. It looks like they are mine. It looks like it's growing from my lash line. It's very natural. So this is the before, and this is the after with the liner and the lash. So again, we are going to place our index finger on our cheeks, give us the guide, and then create our wing like so. And then we're going to go in the middle of that line and drag it all the way down to the center of the eye. And then from there, you do want to just perfect it. I am better with one eye than the other, which is typical. But now we're just going to fill that in. And again, if you need to, just touch up and create any straight lines. And then from there, we just connect the dots. So we're just starting from the middle, and then I do the inner corner. And that is how I do my liner, guys. I know it looks super easy, but this has come with lots of practice. A lot of practice. Alright, that's the liner. So we're going to apply the lash again. Like I said, you put it right under the tweezer, right under the band. We're going to place it in the middle first, the outer end, and then the inner corner. And what I love about this liner is that it literally sticks and stays. So that is a plus. So that is it. Quick and easy, guys. I am going to apply some mascara just to blend my lashes with the false lashes. I'm going to apply it to the top and then the bottom. And that is it for the look, guys. Very cute, simple, easy liner and lashes tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.